What up, YouTube? Obama Suit here. Come back with part 2. This next pack will be for Rick Nash, 1975. This is for Rick Nash. Base, 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 decoy, base, base. All base. Next will be for Foxborough. Foxborough. With the next pack. Base, base, decoy, base, base. Got an Equine Iglesias cross training, numbered 441 of 500. So, not really what we're looking for, but next is Robin 9. Yeah, Robin. Base, oh, got another hit. Got a hit. This will be for Robin 9. Let's go slow. It's a hit. That's all I'm going to say. It's a hit. It's going to be one of the Black Border SP Donovan McNabb jersey. Number 24 of 100. Number 24 of 100, we go to Robin 9. Yeah, definitely not the kind of hit we're looking for. But got a hit. Back to Cowboys. Sorry. Back to Cowboys. Good raffle or trade bait there, Robin. Base, longevity, base, decoy. Got a longevity for Cowboys of Chad Pennington. That's numbered 68 of 99. Next is Rick Nash. Base, rookie, decoy, base, base, base. Got a rookie of, I cannot pronounce his name, Kaluka Mavaya. Number to 999. I have no idea who that is for the Browns. Next is Fox. Foxborough. I'm like losing track of whose turn it is. Foxborough. Got another hit in here. So look at that. Comes out Fox. So everybody got a hit. Everybody got one hit. So this will be our last hit for Foxborough. Fox is going to be pissed off. It's a hit. That's all I can say. Definitely, guys should have picked the other serial numbered box. It's a Brandon Jacobs. One color jersey, numbered 4 of 240. Numbered 4 of 240 of Brandon Jacobs. One color jersey. That'll go to Foxborough. So at least everybody got a hit. Right back to Rob. Right back to Robin. Sorry, Fox. Yeah, $125 eBay. Buy it now. Base. This is Robin's. There's really nothing else to look for. I'm going to go really quick. Patrick White, Studio Rookies, 390 of 500 for Robin. Right back to Cowboys. Cowboys last pack. Base, 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 base. All base. Decoy. Rick Nash's. Rick Nash's. Got an Austin Collie rookie for the Colts, numbered to 999. The rest base. That's for Rick Nash. Fox, your last pack. Boom! Austin Collie rookie. Foxborough. Base, base, decoy, all base. And Rob. At least everybody got a hit. Kind of worked out. At least everybody got something. Instead of getting burned. Base, rookie, base, decoy. Rob got a rookie of Johnny Knox. Johnny Knoxville, numbered to 999. So that's the break, you guys. Not the best box, but at least that spread out, and everybody at least got a hit. All right, guys. Got a couple boxes left. This is Bum to Suit out.